Entrees, we're going to make a really yummy salad. So I'm going to roast these pumpkins down bite size. So I'm going to sprinkle a little olive oil and a little bit of salt. I'm going to put this in the air fryer and probably cook for about 10-15 minutes. So I'm going to show you what's in here that I've already done. So we have little pumpkin seeds, some lettuce, carrot, some pepper, and we also have some apple. We also have some red capsicum, ice cream container. And so we're going to shake. Kardashians. Now you can make this as a coleslaw if you want to. I'm just going to make a little simple dressing. So in the same bowl that I had the pumpkin in, we'll make our dressing. We're going to have some honey. Some salt. Some black pepper. Going to add some tahini. I'm just going to add a tablespoon because it's quite strong in flavour. I'm going to add some olive oil. Add some lemon juice. You can use fresh if you want, and then we're just going to mix it together. And that is the tahini dressing. Very simple, pretty easy to make. And you can put this on your meat, you can put this on your roast vegetables, you can put it on any salad that you like. So let's do that right now. The tahini dressing we've made. Pumpkin. Now we're just going to mix it. I'm hoping that the pumpkin's not too soft. Gonna top it with some chicken. So lettuce, red cabbage, carrots, apples, red capsicum, and a tahini dressing. You should make it because you got to eat a salad day. You know, make healthy choices. I'm having my tahini pumpkin salad with the chicken. If you haven't seen the video where I made the chicken that's got Italian seasoning, some onion, garlic powder, and some paprika, some salt, oh, you gotta watch it. Let's taste test. That's really good. Chicken. Yes. Make this. It's so good.